The destroyer's only gone and done it again. Look at this chunky bugger. He is a beauty. Bear with me 1 second, let's get hold of him. There you go. Ow! Yeah, little bugger. It's hard to hold the phone and also the fish at the same time. Look at this beauty. Oh, that's... Ow! He's a feisty bugger, this one. Anyway. There we go. He's a beautiful fish. That's a hefty fish, that. Right. Let's get him on the hooks. Oh. Woohoo! On the blow lug. They're loving the blow lug here. Right. Let's get him unhooked. Let's get him on the mat. See you in a bit.